1,000 foot-pounds of torque. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's the big day. The 2019 Ram Heavy Duties will be making their debut at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit. We're going to be at the show today getting tons of exclusive photos and video from the show floor, so make sure you're subscribed and checking out hdrams.com throughout the day for all the latest updates. Now, the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty is here, and it's not just a mild facelift. Ram has gone back to the drawing board using what they've learned from years of tuning the 4th generation Heavy Duty to make the 2019 model year light years better. 2019 Heavy Duties will be the most powerful, most capable pickups in the segment, with a towing capacity of 35,100 pounds and a payload capacity of 7,680 pounds when properly equipped. Although the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty is stronger and more capable, lightweight materials in the frame, powertrain, and an aluminum hood help reduce the overall weight by up to 143 pounds. The exterior features new front fenders, hood, head and tail lights, fog lights, bumpers, tailgate, badging, and wheels. Tradesman and bighorn trims will come standard with halogen lights. LED reflectors and LED taillights will be optional on bighorn and standard on Power Wagon and Laramie. LED projector headlights with adaptive front lighting system will be standard on Laramie Longhorn and limited models. The adaptive front lighting system allows the LED projectors to move up to 15 degrees in the expected direction of travel. The interior is all new, using the dash and center console from the 2019 1500. Many other elements of the interior, such as the door panels, have been redesigned and are a blend of 4th and 5th gen design. Interior materials, especially in top Longhorn and limited trim, will be a big step up from the outgoing truck. The 2019 Heavy Duties will get the same available Uconnect Systems as the 2019 1500, including the show-stopping 12-inch Uconnect screen. Now, the big news is under the hood. Last summer, we first reported that the next generation Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel was going to use a compacted graphite iron block, and we now know that that's true. So the new Cummins uses a compacted graphite iron engine block. Ram says there's new pistons that are lighter and stronger than the outgoing 6.7-liter, and the pistons feature new low-friction rings. These pistons are connected to the crankshaft via new forged connecting rods. Up top is a newly designed cast iron cylinder head with new exhaust valves, springs, and rocker arms. Bolted to that cylinder head is an all-new exhaust manifold that is the mounting point for an improved variable geometry turbocharger with laminated heat shields. This turbo delivers boost pressures of up to 33 psi. Now, all these changes make for a 6.7-liter Cummins diesel that delivers a show-stopping 1,000 foot-pounds of torque at 1,800 RPM and 400 horsepower at 2,800 RPM. As before, the high-output Cummins is optional on 3,500 models only. The standard output Cummins inline 6 got a power boost for 2019 as well, now delivering 370 horsepower at 2,800 RPM and 850 pound-feet of torque at 1,700 RPM. This version of the Cummins is optional on the 2,500 and available as a lower cost alternative to the high output Cummins on the Ram 3,500. Now, for 2019, Ram Trucks is replacing the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 with the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 as the standard engine in Ram Heavy Duties. The 6.4-liter has a proven reliability record and delivers a class-leading 410 horsepower at 5,600 RPM while providing 429 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. The big story with the 6.4-liter is that it will now be backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. That promises to improve capability, drivability, performance, and fuel economy. Ram 3,500 heavy-duty models equipped with the 1,000 foot-pound of torque Cummins high-output turbo diesel continue to use the Aisin AS69RC 6-speed automatic. This transmission is engineered to handle the enormous torque of the turbo diesel and increased vehicle weight ratings while delivering improved shift quality. The Aisin transmission does get upgraded for 2019 with hardware upgrades and a new transmission controller with a dual-core processor and twice the memory of previous models. Ram says these changes enable the transmission to deliver faster, more precise shifts under all driving and loading conditions. The venerable 68 RFE lives on behind the standard output Cummins turbo diesel but gets significant upgrades for 2019. Engineers at Ram have made changes designed to improve the transmission's shift quality, utilizing new variable force solenoid controls for the torque converter clutch. A new reverse accumulator improves shift feel while placing the transmission into park from reverse, and drive to park shifts are improved through refined hydraulic control. In a first for the Ram Heavy Duty, the 6.4 liter Hemi V8 comes mated to the proven and smooth shifting Torque Flight 8-speed automatic. There are more than 40 individual shift maps to optimize shift points for fuel economy, performance, and drivability. These transmissions use shift-by-wire technology, eliminating a mechanical linkage between the transmission and gear selector. Now, you know where I'm going with this. The 2019 Ram Heavy Duty gas models use Ram's Rotary Shifter mounted on the left side of the instrument panel center stack to free up space traditionally occupied by a console or column mounted shift lever. Unfortunately, for 2019, the manual transmission has been dropped. For 2019, the Ram Heavy Duties get an all-new frame made from 98.5% high-strength steel and new front and rear axles that have been engineered to improve durability, handle industry-leading payload and towing capabilities, and minimize noise, vibration, and harshness. Ram engineers took opportunities to optimize weight with the new axles, and the 3500 Heavy Duty is offered with an all-new, larger 12-inch American axle and manufacturing rear axle to handle the class-leading power and capability. Heavy-duty trucks generally have a suspension equipped for constant heavy payloads. A byproduct of that is a harsher ride when unloaded. Now, to combat that, Ram is using frequency response damping shocks on all four corners. The valves of a frequency response damping shock automatically adjust for the type of vehicle wheel input, allowing the Ram Heavy Duty to have a stiffer suspension feel for handling and a supple suspension feel on rough terrain. Engineers added progressive springs and upgraded bushings to the suspension system, including the exclusive 5-link coil design on Ram 2500, which provides better load carrying characteristics and improved articulation over obstacles when compared to a leaf spring system. A class exclusive active level rear air suspension is available on both the Ram 2500 and 3500 and includes some ingenious features. Controlled via an in-cab mounted switch, you can put the rear air suspension into bed lowering mode to lower the rear of the truck for easier loading or trailer hookup, normal payload mode, or a trailer tow mode. When it comes to the brakes, the brake booster, master cylinder, and brake calipers are all new for 2019. These changes, combined with a larger ratio pedal swing, give the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty a more confident and powerful brake application with little effort from the driver. This system offers shorter stopping distances and braking to match the higher capability of the truck. In all, the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty pickups are not just a refresh, they are practically new from the ground up. Ram has delivered on their goals of not just making the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty the segment leader, but also the benchmark for performance, capability, technology, and luxury for the heavy-duty market. Ordering for the 2019 Ram Heavy Duty lineup starts today. Prices have not yet been announced, but will be very soon. These trucks will be arriving on dealer showrooms in March. Make sure to check out hdrams.com, join our forum section to get in on the discussion. We're going to be updating the website throughout the day with photos, video, and news from the show floor. So make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel as well, as we've got a lot more great content coming from the show. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.